Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, I'm going to use several of these round floral foams to create a trash can for my bathroom. Now, if you have enough of these rings, you can even make a vase. So this is something I've been wanting to try for a while, so I have quite a few, and I'll let you know how many I have total. When you get these rings, sometimes they come with like scratches and dents, so I'm going to try and glue those on the inside or at the bottom, okay? One other thing, as you can see, this is where they mold them together. So if I did it this way to where both of those lines are, then I think it will be a little bit warped. So what I'm going to do is turn them on the opposite side of each other, like so. Again, I'm going to put the damaged sides down. And if there's anything on the side, then I'll make sure everything that's damaged is on the same side as well. First thing I'm going to do is take my hot glue gun and just go around. Okay, looks good. So now I'm going to flip this back and go inside where the two meet and reinforce it with hot glue. Okay, so now we have this. Okay, I have this one, and as you can see, there's some damage here. So I'm going to make sure this side is down. And I'm making sure that this line is opposite from this side. So this is what we have so far. And we have one more. And I'm going to put this one on the bottom. Okay, so this is what we have. Now this is what I'll be using for the wastebasket in my bathroom. Now if you want to make it taller, you can make it into a vase. But now I need to go ahead and put a bottom on my trash can. Now to make the base for my trash can, I'll be using one of these Dollar Tree plates. It says salad plates, and there's the skew. So I am going to glue it right in the center. Now I'm going to go in and reinforce the plate from the inside. I'm going to reinforce it at the bottom as well. Okay, so I thought about it, and I think I want to glue another plate opposite from it to lift it even more and just to give it a different look. Yeah, I like that. It's giving me retro vibes. Now I'll take this outside and spray paint it silver. You can also use acrylic paint. Once it dries, I'll come back and move on to the next step. Okay everyone, I'm back. And I actually thought I was recording, but my memory card was full, so we lost this part when I added the beads here. But yeah, this is what it looks like after I spray painted it silver. I have these beads that I picked up from Dollar Tree. And there's the skew. And like I said, I had already started gluing the beads on. Now I have a new friend, and this is not sponsored. This is my Gorilla glue gun. I found this at Walmart, and it's good for low and high temp glue. And I just so happen to have low and high temp glue on hand, so this is perfect. I'm going to give it a try. I think it's about $17. I'm pretty sure it's worth the investment. Here's one of the necklaces. You just simply pop it out. And I have my glue gun on the low setting. And I'm just going to add some here. I'm going to take my bead, sit it on top of the glue, and kind of press down and hold it until the glue cools down. Once the glue cools down, it'll hold the beads in place. And I will just continue to add more glue. To cut down the length of this video, I went ahead and started decorating my trash can. So what I have here is some bling that I picked up from Amazon.com, and I'll link it below. What I did was just cut a row off. Started in the back and attached it to my trash can. So I have two different designs. I have this design and I have the regular flower bling, as you see here. So all I did was just glue this here on top and then the flower bling, and then now I'll go here to this design again. Now because this curves, I want to make sure that I have glue here and here. I'm just doing a line down like this. And again, I have the glue on low setting. And I'm just going to continue to go all the way around. Okay, so I'll continue to add this on off camera. Then I'll come back and do my next layer. Okay, here's what the third row looks like. Again, it's the same as the first row. So just like before, this time around, I'm going to take my flower bling and cut off a row. I'm going to put some glue right in the center of the flower. Here's what we have so far. Isn't it cute? Who would ever think that you could use round floral foam to make a cute little trash can like this? Look at that, isn't it blingy? Now you can add more bling on the top of here or the bottom. It's totally up to you how far you want to go with it. I'm gonna have to come back in and clean up all of the extra glue webs, but as for the inside, that's what it looks like. Now what I'm gonna do is take two of the Dollar Tree chopping mats, glue them together, and use them as a liner on the inside of my trash can. Now, this is an ornament that I picked up from Walmart. And I think you can even find these on Amazon. What I want to do is glue this on here to make it even more beautiful. So now, I've already removed the clip. Now I'll glue it to the basket. I might even put something on top of here. We'll see. And now this is going to go with my butterfly theme that I have going on in my bathroom right now. Now I'll let the hot glue set up and come back and let you see what it looks like. And as promised, here's my gorgeous, sweet little wastebasket for my bathroom. Of course, you can use it in other rooms as well. My daughter has already requested one for her bedroom. She wants a different color, and I'm going to change it up just a little, so stay tuned for that DIY as well. Again, you can use two chopping mats from Dollar Tree to create a liner that will hold the trash bag that goes on the inside of the trash can. Okay everyone, this concludes my DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if you took out time to comment, share, and subscribe. It's absolutely free. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.